How to fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. In here, scroll down and move into Display and Brightness. Once again, scroll down and move into Auto Lock. In here, you have to set the Auto Lock to Never. Once it's done, now you have to go back to your home page and slide down the screen and then click on AirDrop Receiving. In here, you have to set to Everyone for 10 minutes. Well, you have to make sure that the other device is close to your device. But if it's still not working, then what you want to do is head over to Settings and then move into General. Scroll all the way down and then click on Shutdown. You need to slide this icon in order to power off. Once your device has been shut down, you need to reopen it. Now enter the passcode of your device. Well, now if you try to connect the AirDrop, it will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix AirDrop not working on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.